Applying for a U.S. visa means filling in the DS-160 form, and the photo is where a lot of applications get held up. The rules are strict, and they tightened in 2026. Here is exactly what the U.S. visa photo needs so yours passes the first time, and how to make one free. First, size. A U.S. visa photo is square, 2 inches by 2 inches, the same as a U.S. passport photo. Your head, from the chin to the top of the hair, must fill between 50 and 69% of the height. Too small or too large, and the form rejects it. Second, the background. It must be plain white or off-white, evenly lit, with no shadows, no patterns, and nothing behind you. A clean white background is the single most common thing people get wrong. Third, you, and how recent it is. The photo must be taken within the last 6 months and look like you do now. Face the camera with a neutral expression, both eyes open, mouth closed. No glasses, and no hat or head covering unless it is worn daily for religious reasons. Fourth, the digital file. If you upload online, the image must be square, between 600 by 600 and 1200 by 1200 pixels, saved as a JPEG. Keep the file under 240 kilobytes in full color. Pixelated or blurry images are refused. Fifth, uploading, and the 2026 rule. Upload it on the DS-160 photo page, and do not run it through an AI photo enhancer or a beauty filter. As of 2026, any digitally altered photo is rejected. A free tool like IDPhotoSnap crops to the exact size and sets a white background without touching your face, so it stays compliant. So, 2 by 2 inches, a plain white background, recent and unedited, the right pixel size, uploaded to the DS-160. Make it free in your browser, and it stays on your device. Link is in the description. Good luck with your visa.